Hello friends, if you've been here before, thanks for stopping by again. If this is your first time here, then welcome. This is another video in my continuing series I call Quick, Easy, and Simple. These are all recipes that are quick to put together, not at all complicated, and use very few ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make an authentic Japanese teriyaki sauce that is the basis for dozens of Japanese dishes, from chicken teriyaki to oyakodon to buta shogayaki. Teriyaki sauce should only have 4 ingredients, and each one is very important, so I'm going to say a little bit about each ingredient. The first ingredient, and possibly the most important, is soy sauce. Check the label on your bottle of soy sauce and make sure that it says that it was naturally brewed. If it is naturally brewed, then you're good to go no matter what brand of soy sauce you're using. If it's not naturally brewed, then just buy another bottle of soy sauce because you're just using caramel colored flavored water. The next ingredient is sake. You don't need to get expensive drinking sake for this sauce. It is perfectly fine to use budget sake for cooking. The next ingredient is mirin. Mirin is a Japanese seasoned cooking wine. Unfortunately, real mirin is difficult to find in the United States. In the US, you are most likely to find aji mirin, which is mirin flavor, something akin to the difference between pure vanilla extract and imitation vanilla. But if that's all you can find, then aji mirin will work. Finally, granulated white sugar. A word of caution, until you have tasted the authentic taste of teriyaki sauce, please don't go making substitutions like honey, maple syrup, or artificial sweeteners for the white sugar. White sugar adds a very specific taste to this sauce. After you've made this a couple of times, then you can start making substitutions. Now, every Japanese household has their own recipe for teriyaki sauce, but the difference is not in these 4 basic ingredients. The difference will be in the amount of each ingredient to use. Some recipes will call for equal amounts of each ingredient, but I find this ratio to be way too sweet. I admit that the following recipe is my own personal preference. After making this recipe, feel free to adjust the ratio of these ingredients to your own taste. Place these ingredients into a heavy-bottomed saucepan. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sake, 3 tablespoons of mirin. This will give you enough sauce to generously glaze 4 chicken breasts or 4 chicken thighs. You can also make a big batch of this sauce and store it in a bottle in your refrigerator. For a big batch, you'll need 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar, 3/4 cup mirin, 3/4 cup sake, and 1 cup of soy sauce. Over medium heat, stir this mixture constantly just until the sugar has dissolved completely, about 2 or 3 minutes. Do not allow this sauce to boil. There's alcohol in both the mirin and the sake, and you don't want to burn off this alcohol. Only heat the sauce enough to dissolve the sugar. Any alcohol that's still in the sauce will get burned off when it's cooked with your protein. In addition to not allowing your sauce to come to a boil, there is one more caution that I would like for you to observe, and that is do not add any other flavorings to the teriyaki sauce at this point. So don't add grated ginger or minced garlic, chopped green onions, chili peppers, or anything else. The main reason for this is when you make the sauce in a large quantity with just these 4 ingredients, then you have the maximum flexibility to make a wide variety of Japanese dishes just by adding the sauce to other flavorings such as ginger, garlic, green onions, etc. In the coming months, I will show you how you can take this basic teriyaki sauce and transform it into many different dishes. Using different proteins and different aromatics, you can create many unique tastes with the same basic teriyaki sauce. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Also, please like this video and leave a comment. I love hearing from all of you. Thank you for joining me on Adventures in Food with Howard. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.